I can request you if you can guys somewhat take your movement and come this side, that will be great. So it will be like we are limited people, then we can have like one on one kind of. Sorry for bothering you when you're exhausted. Yeah, thanks. Okay, my name is Prashant. Then Chaitanya is not feeling well, so I'm just taking over his presentation. And we are we are from Nashik, Maharashtra. So we are trying to present here the daily system that we have built for one of our clients, and it was a quite challenging project, and it was our first project as well. So this project has been featured on Odoo itself, and as we go along, I will tell you how why it was so challenging. So the client was actually a small retail store, but they didn't know that they are also manufacturers, and they are doing a huge business, but they are doing it in a conventional way. And when we started having a consultation with them, and we have involved Odoo team as well for this project, we understood their problems. I mean, what kind of problems that they are facing, and because they are coming from the background of a retail store, but they are doing a huge bigger business. So their key business was selling a milk, and they were buying milk from Goalas, you can say them dairymen and milkmen. So they people take milk from cows, buffaloes early in the morning, like 4 a.m. 5 a.m. They come to their store, sell their milk to them, and that milk is being sold without any other adulteration in the bigger cities. So that was how the solution has been built on Odoo, and then how their inventory procurement process has been, simplified for them. And then they had a couple of other products like selling sweets, paneer, curd, and everything else. So this was one of their POS we have built, and we face some challenges in POS also, because the standard Odoo POS doesn't support price-based selling. So we will discuss about it, and we have developed custom modules, DOM setup, and etc. So I will just, without going briefly on the PPT, I will share what was the actual, how the milk selling process works. The milk selling process, if you know, when the milk is been coming to the stores, people drinking that milk generally have been feed up, which is solid, not fat, which is also minerals, which is solid, not fat, which is also minerals and proteins. So they understand, and how we help them, and proteins. So they understand, and how we help them to segregate fat, SNS, and water from it. So for fat, SNS, and water from it. So for example, fat कम होता है, calories कम होती है, all these things when it comes, it means the fat and SNS has been taken out from them, and the powder when you then liters to them, and it was a tricky thing that do. So what we have done, we have helped them, giving them a dynamic pricing of the prices for fat. I mean, अभी कोई कोई ग्वाला हमारे पास दूध लेके आया है और उसमें उसने पानी मिक्स करके लाया है, तो डेफिनेटली उसका फैट एंड एसएनएफ वैल्यू कम। उसमें अगर फैट एंड एसएनएफ का वैल्यू 100% फैट एंड 100% एसएनएफ, इट इज द प्योरेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ द मिल्क you get, the price is 50 rupees per liter, for example. And if they have done adulteration, adding water or anything substances, we don't know, but we found that using some machines for that, the price to them will be adapted to them as a dynamic pricing. So someone is bringing a purest form of the milk is getting a full credit, and if someone is doing adaptation, so the price will be go down. Okay? But if you want 200 ml, 100 ml, you have to buy half minimum quantity. But in a small places, they do not sell like that. They have to sell 100 ml, 200 ml, or 10 रुपए का दूध दे दो, 20 रुपए का दूध दे दो. That is also thing. Odoo do not have the functionality. We sell the product according to the price. So that is the one thing that we have understood. कि 10 रुपए की मिठाई दे दो, 15 रुपए की मिठाई दे दो, 10 रुपए का पनीर दे दो. This type of solution, because walking on those store is more than 1,000 people walking every day, but they are every client is what we call a reverse system. Enter the amount everything will be calculated from the system itself. So the logics and that's more of a technical thing, but those logics have been applied for it, and we have announced the PO system, and then they have been given a custom reporting also. So that was the one thing that I was mentioning about. So this is the for the price for the purest form of milk, and the values if they goes down and up, the system will adopt the prices, and the payment is been done to the vendor. Now, another problem with this फैट एंड एसएनएफ लॉजिक वाज कि अगर मुझे पनीर फैट हो सकता है कि उस तरीके का मिल्क नहीं दे रहे, तो इवेंचुअली उसका इफेक्ट वहां आता है कि जब आप पनीर, स्वीट्स और कर्ड्स ये लोग आप बटर मिल्क आप जब कंज्यूम करते हो, होता होगा आपने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा कि कल स्टोर से पनीर का क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा था, नेक्स्ट डे इट हैज बीन प्रॉब्लम. So the quality is not being maintained. So this was also a pain point of store owner that मुझे quality भी maintain करनी. So what helped them to get the milk stock transfer. Now I am telling you, may not have the standard like 6 fat multiplied by 100. If you get the 600 fat is not available. Now we have identified what is fat and what is SNF they are having. That is how they understand जो मिल्क उनके पास है उसमें proportional qualities are maintained. So that was the one another exemptions that we have done with them. The system and getting that into the system. That's what I have said. Customers say I have 50 rupees, give me a 50 rupees भी हो सकता है कि 720 and get the everything scale to इस तरह से आपका हो सकता है कि प्राइस डिस्काउंटेड होगा या वो लॉट का प्राइस डिफरेंट होगा. अब स्टोर में आपने बहुत बार देखा होगा कि आप कोई प्रोडक्ट्स so the pickup lot has, so the lot was pricing which we have done implemented in. To a royalty commission is giving compliments to their staff, their influencers. So the royalty commission has been given to all those clients, even for the WhatsApp. For for all this study that we have. If you guys are from Ahmedabad, so you know the Radhe Sweets over here, and that is there are walking clients जो पैसा दे आपने recharge, there are walking clients जो पैसा दे आपने recharge कर लिया, and then you start keep using कर लिया, and then you start keep using all the month. Postpaid आप पहले use करो बाद में पैसा all the month. Postpaid आप पहले use करो बाद में पैसा. Some same way this client have a prepaid clients or postpaid clients. So we have given them a card system barcode. That barcode is the standard old feature says when they scan they see the list of people having the cards. Now 1 2 3 4 5 people are here. Now 1 2 3 4 5 people are here which are having a card. There are chances of clerical mistakes. Purchase इन्होंने किया bill इनको. So what we have done, whatever the scan is going to on the screen, only that person will be visible for the billing count. So the misbilling will be totally 100%. The bar में dispute होगा because you are buying milk every day, you are buying sweets every day, you are going to the store this करना चाहिए था, और maybe clerk जो भी admin act में बैठा है कैशियर वो ही गलती कर रहा है, random लोगों के account से purchasing करके खुद ही ले रहा है. So what we have done, the prepaid card or postpaid card, once the scan. If you have any questions. Yeah. And now they have added add-on products like Prashant and because they understood they are getting 1,000 walk-ins every day. Once they got that system done, so they now understand कि मेरे साथ buy products भी हैं जो मैं sell कर सकता हूँ because वो लोग पहले Prashant और ये सब नहीं sell करते. So that market is very big, retail market है. So whatever. The eyes being opened when they started visiting Radhe Sweets. Radhe Sweets is being developed by Odoo, official people, and then when they went now Radhe Sweets here started with single store. Now there are 11 stores only in Ahmedabad, and they are wholesaling their products throughout India. So the vision they got from there, so they have opened a new store which is like I said earlier. I have not taken the picture, but the store is, if I tell you that 4 to 5 hours now flow in the store. So before this, were they using some other system? No, they were doing everything. वो कूपन नहीं रखे होते काउंटर पे क्या होना? So did they approach you for an implementation, or did you approach them? Yeah, he's actually friend, and then we have been talking about Odoo, and when I told him क्या कर रहा है, कितनी public आती है आपके store पे, and you are not even encashing them, and people want. Suppose that they getting 1,000 walk-in every day. Suppose करो अगर एक ticket size भी 200 rupees का है, so everyday business from one store, from one location is 2 lakh. So every day they have business of 2 lakh per day. So this was so you got this client by a contact. So how would you approach a similar client, or how would you approach a new client? Now I'm telling you the clients are approaching us because we have given such system to them. When I'm telling you, we are understood what they are finding quality. When I told them the fat and SNF logic is there, that's how the Amul, Mother Dairy and are doing. See, I'm telling you, if you are buying gold, Amul gold milk, that's most expensive product of Amul. But more expensive product of Amul is skim milk. Now skim milk में तो कोई भी nutrition देखा जाए, fat कम है, calories कम है, but you cannot make ghee out of that, and ghee is a more expensive product. But वो आना तो gold से. So when they understood कि आप तो price cut कर, मतलब fat बाहर निकाल के, अब वही fat से मैं पनीर भी बना सकता हूँ, मावा भी बना सकता हूँ, और वो मल्टीपल जगह पे कर्ड एंड एवरीथिंग यूज होता है. और जो बचा हुआ मिल्क है, बिकॉज आई एम टेलिंग यू, मिल्क कैन बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन 3 डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. वाटर जिसमें कुछ भी नहीं होगा, फैट नहीं होगा, एसएनएफ नहीं होगा, बट वो वाइट ही होगा, मिल्क ही होगा, एंड देन दे हैव फैट एंड एसएनएफ. सो देयर इज अ प्रोसेस वेयर दे टेक फैट एंड एसएनएफ आउट, एंड उस फैट एंड एसएनएफ से मावा बन जाता है, और मावे से तो आपको पता है दुनिया भर की चीजें स्वीट्स तो बहुत सारी. So the idea was कि आपके पास बहुत लिमिटेड चीजें हैं, लेकिन उन लिमिटेड चीजों में आप कितना बड़ा बिजनेस बना सकते हो. So that was the idea. Are you done with the question? Okay, thank you.